Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to mute someone's story on Instagram. This is how to do it. Open your Instagram app. Let's say for example you want to mute a story on Instagram. I'm going to use YouTube story as an example in this video. So click and hold on the story and you're going to see an option to mute. Click on mute. It's going to ask you, do you want to mute stories or mute their posts and stories? It says you can unmute them from their profile. Instagram won't let them know you muted them. So you can always go back to their profile and unmute them. So if you want to mute their stories, you click on mute stories and the story is going to be muted and it will disappear. So if you want to unmute them, you have to go to their profile and do that yourself. From their profile, you can unmute them if you want. So that's how you mute stories on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.